Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're playing a popular game called Just Drive Car Simulator. I thought it would be quite good to, kind of play. So, yes, I will warn you, there is adverts, but they do not come up in the middle of gameplays. But, junk like this, you can obviously just skip. Now, it's stuff when you start to buy stuff, that's when all the junk comes. But this is just Drive Simulator, so here we are. Now, sadly, I do only have one car in the garage because I've been saving up, but still, it's alright, it's fine. It's cool, and it's a flipping fast car, so it really is. So that's not it. There it is, look at that. So, that's quite a nice car. That's what I'm saving up for. Lamborghini Veneno, right there. So, they got other Lambos, obviously. But, it's quite nice. So, you've got all of those type of cars there. But, see, till you probably get it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So, there's 3 modes which you've got for this. You've got tilt, which I am going to use, I think, because tilt's good. Now, this is quite a kind of a joggy, weird game. Quite a weird game. Okay, so you see I've got a steering wheel on for this right now. So, yeah, I admit, it does lag a bit. That's what I should say. You press D, no. Dude, why is this lagging so much? And you pull that off. What the flip? Why are you lagging so much? It'll stay like that. There we go. Whoa, what is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up with this lag? What is up with this lag right now? Oh my god, what is this lag? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is just lag. What? Look at that lag. Look at that. Look at it. Tilt. I mean, it's running a little bit better. But seriously? Okay, guys, so I literally think that was nuts. So let's see if we can win any more money. Now, how you get money is by doing this weird casino wheel thing. So you've got 5k, 1k, minus a token, damn. Plus a token, nothing, 20k, minus nothing, 10k, nothing, and 5k. So to do this, annoyingly you have to have an ad, but I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay guys, so we have got 3 tries, let's see. 5k, that's cool. I've got 120,000. One more time. Another token. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. 20k! That was good. That was that. Are you sick? Can we win? Huh! We just won 20k again. 160k. Like, what? What cars can we buy for that? Oh, right. Okay. Okay guys, so we're back. Let's check out what we have got. Okay. That's still dangerous. We could get that. Can't 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 get that. Can get that. Just carry on going. Yeah, we can't get anything beyond this. Because look at them. Like, that wasn't quite a nice car, that one though. Let's have a look at that car. That is a nice car. 210. Do I want to... It's such a nice car. I'm not sure. Whoa, big in the face there, love. That is 120,000. That is nuts. Wait, what? It's 1,200,000. Right. I'm gonna get... I'll do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it! Yeah. Ouchie. I did it. I did it. Did it. Did it. Did it. I did it. I did it. Oh my god. Okay. That was alright. That was cool, right? But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!